Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can import leads in Zoho CRM. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to set your focus on the left panel and click on Leads. Normally, you would click on Create Lead, but to import a lead, we're going to click on the icon beside it, and by clicking on that, a drop-down menu will appear. Then, we're going to click on Import Leads. Now, Zoho would give us two options. To import from a file, which should be a CSV or an XLSX file, or we can import from other CRMs. And by clicking here on the which CRM are you coming from, Zoho will ask us on what of these choices would we import from. But for this video, we're gonna click right here and download a sample file. So click on Browse and then click on the import lead or file that you wish to import and open. After that, click on Next. And then Zoho will ask you if you want to add it as a new lead, update an existing lead, or both. After choosing one, click on Next. Next, you would need to map this lead by clicking on the options right here. Without going from each of one of them, finish mapping it, or you can even apply auto mapping right here. Click on Apply. After that, click on Next. Then, Continue. For the final step, you can enable the trigger automation and process management and enable manual lead approval. Lastly, confirm all email address in this import and then click on Finish. After a few minutes, Zoho CRM will confirm that your lead has been imported as shown right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!